Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with eXp Realty, and welcome to our new listing at 17601 North 10th Avenue. We are at Werner Field, which is a local community park walking distance from the home. It features basketball courts, playground equipment, wide open fields, as well as a walking and biking path. Fun fact about this home, it is equidistant to two Costco's, the one over on 27th Ave and the one over on Beardsley. So if you need cheese balls, you can go to either one. You're gonna get there at the same time. Now, after you eat those cheese balls, you're gonna need to work them off. You are a mile and a half from a Planet Fitness. And you need other shopping options. You have Safeway, you have Fry's, you have Winco, and you have Walmart, all within easy driving distance. You're only 15 minutes from Desert Ridge, you're only 20 minutes from downtown, and you're less than 30 minutes from the airport. This location on this cannot be beat. This home is 1,424 square feet. It's a single story with a 2-car carport, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and has a massive master bedroom. It's 20 by 11 square feet. Come on, let's go take a look. Take a look at this beautiful backyard. The backyard features a beautiful shade tree, a fruit tree, storage shed, nice grass area, as well as block fencing all around. If you'd like to schedule a showing on this home, give me a call or text me at 602-763-8106 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com. Until next time, have a great day.